That's going to be another component associated with it. Now in Ayodhya, the temple that is being now built, the architecture of the temple, the type of stones that are going to be used in the temple, the bell that is going to be there, what exactly is the metal of which the bell is going to be made of in this region, in this place, is going to be one of these questions that is going to be asked. Pick up the third one. That is a very controversial part, and why it is controversial? Because a lot of his scriptures have come up, and that shows that Nehru was furious of having someone built and rebuilt the Somnath temple. Of course, there were reasons why is it that Nehru was furious. Why is it that Somnath temple has to be rebuilt of sorts? So a good number of questions, I'm telling you because this is going to be in the minds of the examiner. That is, it was looted, it was plundered several times by Islamic invaders, including Ghazni, Khilji, Aurangzeb. Even the Portuguese went on to loot it. And by and large, every time it was looted, every time it was rebuilt, except the last time when the government itself in India, the people in connivance with the British government, they never allowed it to be.